Hey everyone, today we are checking out the top 5 best drones you can buy on AliExpress in 2025. From powerful GPS drones with 8K cameras to foldable quadcopters with laser obstacle avoidance, these are some of the best budget-friendly drones on the market right now. Make sure you stick around until the end, because drone number 4 has a crazy feature you don't usually see at this price point. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. XT808 Screen Display Drone. The XT808 kicks off our list with a strong balance of features and affordability. It comes with GPS positioning for stable flight, optical flow sensors for precise hovering, and most importantly an 8K HD aerial camera. The controller itself has a built-in screen, so you don't need to rely on your phone for live transmission. That's a really nice touch for smoother flight experiences. 5G optical flow plus GPS, 8K HD professional camera, foldable design, built-in remote screen display. Pros: built-in display controller, stable GPS plus optical flow hover, foldable and portable. Cons: flight time could be longer, camera isn't on a gimbal. Beginners who want a professional-looking drone without needing a smartphone connection. Number 2. K19 MAX GPS Drone. The K19 MAX is built up with brushless motors, which makes it more powerful and durable than basic toy drones. You also get 5G image transmission for smooth video streaming, plus a built-in screen remote. But the coolest part? It has an airdrop feature. Yep, you can actually attach small items and drop them mid-flight. It's not just a drone, it's a gadget with some fun tricks. Brushless motors for power and stability. Airdrop feature. 5G image transmission. Comes with screen remote control. Pros: strong brushless motors, smooth 5G transmission, fun airdrop functionality. Hobbyists who want both aerial photography and some fun experimental features. Number 3. F8 Pro Max GPS Drone. The F8 Pro Max is a direct competitor to the XT808, but with an extra edge. It's brushless, so it's more durable and stable in windy conditions. It also has a sharp 8K professional camera, and again, the remote includes its own display screen for first-person viewing. It's a solid choice if you're after reliability and portability. 8K HD professional camera, foldable design, brushless motors, screen remote control included. Pros: 8K camera with stable shots, brushless motors for durability, screen-equipped controller. Travelers who want a compact but powerful drone with strong video quality. Number 4. SG109 MAX2 GPS Drone. Now here's where things get exciting. The SG109 MAX2 doesn't just have an 8K dual camera system. It also comes with a 3-axis gimbal for buttery smooth footage. But the real standout feature is the 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance. At this price point, that's insane. You can fly more confidently indoors and outdoors without worrying about constant crashes. For budget-friendly drones, this is one of the most feature-packed models you'll find in 2025. 8K HD dual camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, foldable design. Pros: 3-axis gimbal equals stable video, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, dual 8K cameras. Aspiring aerial filmmakers who want professional features without breaking the bank. Number 5. M33 RC Drone. The M33 RC Drone is a great entry-level model with a triple camera setup, giving you different angles and perspectives. It's not as powerful as the 8K drones, but for beginners, the altitude hold feature makes flying super easy. It even comes with an apron landing system for more stable takeoffs and landings. 4K wide-angle triple camera, foldable design, Wi-Fi FPV transmission, altitude hold plus apron landing system. Pros: affordable, triple camera versatility, beginner-friendly controls. Beginners who want a fun and easy drone to start their aerial photography journey. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2025. Quick recap: XT808 affordable with built-in screen controller, K19 MAX brushless power plus fun airdrop feature, F8 Pro Max portable 8K drone with durability, SG109 MAX2 professional grade with gimbal plus laser obstacle avoidance, M33 RC Drone budget-friendly beginner option. So which one would you fly first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this roundup, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!